Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a luxurious facial routine step by step, designed to leave your skin feeling refreshed and radiant. Let's get started on this journey to a glowing complexion. First, we begin with the essential double cleanse. Double cleansing removes all impurities from makeup to daily grime, creating a clean canvas for the rest of your treatment. Next, we use a gentle exfoliant to scrub away any dead skin buildup. Gently buffing away dead skin cells is key to revealing the brighter skin. Now, extraction time. This is done with care to address any congestions. Then apply toner to soothe the skin. Following that, we indulge in a facial massage. This not only feels wonderfully relaxing but also improves circulation for an instant glow. Next, it's time for a nourishing mask. Choose one that suits your skin's needs, whether it's for hydration, brightening, calming, or clarifying. After removing the mask, we apply a serum. Serums are concentrated treatments that deliver powerful ingredients deep into the skin, focusing on your main concerns. Next, we seal all the goodness with a rich moisturizer. And don't forget your lips. A good lip balm will keep them soft and protected. Thank you so much for joining me for this facial routine. I hope you feel inspired to give your skin some extra love. Please follow for more tips and routines.